Good morning, dear children, and welcome to today's EVS class. Today we'll continue with the chapter Hututu Hututu. So this is the second day. In the last class, we studied about the rules of the game of कबड्डी. कबड्डी के बारे में हमने कुछ information पढ़ी थी. We will continue with the same today. So this is what a game of kabaddi is like. What all is involved in the game of kabaddi? कबड्डी में क्या क्या होता है? Pushing and pulling, screaming and shouting, dragging and falling on the ground. It is a rough game, yet it has many rules. So kabaddi is a very rough game. We have to push, pull, scream, shout, drag people, fall, and many a time players get hurt also. So it is a very rough game, but still it has many rules. Game तो rough है, बहुत strength involved है. It is a rough game, but there are many rules, and I have already told you about those rules. It is lots of fun and lots of exercise. Holding your breath while running continuously, saying kabaddi kabaddi, and also trying to touch the players of the opposite team. So many things to do in kabaddi. So it is very difficult also, very tough also. You need to have a lot of strength. We should have a lot of strength to play kabaddi because we have to hold the breath. सांस एक सांस भर के कबड्डी 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 ऐसे बोलते रहना होता है. At the same time, the raider has to go to the other side. उनको टच करके वापस लौट कर भी आना होता है. तो so many things to do, isn't it? So a healthy body and a healthy mind is also required. क्योंकि strength तो चाहिए and the correct decision making thing should also be there. You need to use both your body and mind in this game. You have to use your strength to pull up or stop the players. You have to use a lot of strength to stop the players or to pull them or to drag them. So all these things require a lot of strength. So what all things are required? Holding breath and saying kabaddi kabaddi without taking another breath. एक सांस भर के you have to keep saying kabaddi 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 kabaddi. If you stop, then things will be different. Good use of both body and mind. खाली strong होने से काम नहीं चलता. You should have a strong good mind also. You must be able to use your mind correctly. हो सकता है somebody is very strong, वो सबको पकड़ सकता है, पर वहाँ जाके when after going to the other side he is not able to take the proper decision, proper turn लेने का उसके दिमाग में नहीं आया तो he may get out. Use of strength and same way mind के साथ strength भी चाहिए to pull or stop a player so that we can apply the strength and stop the player or pull them or catch them. Good decision making means डिसाइड करने की कैपेसिटी भी होनी चाहिए. You must be able to make a good decision. अच्छे से ये डिसाइड करना आना चाहिए कि अब हमें क्या करना है जिससे कि we can benefit the team. Focus attention on coordination between eyes, legs and arms. आपके eyes कहाँ जा रहे हैं, कहाँ देख रहे हो आप, where are your feet, where are your legs, what are you doing with your arms. ये तीनों चीज़ें एक साथ मिलके माइंड का कहना मानना चाहिए. That way you will be able to play a good game of kabaddi. Okay, so all these things are essentials of a game of kabaddi. In some games it is very important to touch the player. कुछ गेम्स में प्लेयर को टच करना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन द गेम ऑफ खो खो, इन खो खो यू टच द प्लेयर. खो खो में टच करते हैं तो दूसरी टीम वाले को टच करते हैं तो आउट हो जाता है. अपनी टीम वाले को टच करते हैं तो उसको चांस मिल जाता है. सो टचिंग इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट इन some of the games. Name some games in which it is very important to touch the players. आप भी बहुत सारे गेम खेलते हो, so you have to tell names of some such games in which touch is very important. You are required to touch the players. तो क्या क्या हो सकते हैं वो? खो खो हो सकते, it can be खो खो, कबड्डी. Then what else? Think of some such games that you play जिसमें आप टच करते हो दूसरों को. ओके. In kabaddi the entire team was out because Shyamala had touched the line. वो जो पिक्चर बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस थे उसमें आपने देखा था श्यामला द गर्ल इन ग्रीन टी शर्ट हैड टच द लाइन, और बाकी सब उसको टच कर चुके थे, तो उसके लाइन टच करने पर वो सारे के सारे आउट हो गए. What are some other games in which the central line is very important? There are many games in which central line is important. दो टीम्स के बीच में एक लाइन बनी होती है and that line is very important. Many games are there. तो you have to name some such games. क्या क्या हो सकते हैं वो? They can be badminton, tennis, football, volleyball. Okay. And many more you can name. You can think of them and name on your own. What are the games in which besides the players you have to touch some things or colors? ऐसे भी गेम्स होते हैं जिसमें प्लेयर को तो टच करना ही होता है, उसके अलावा कुछ कलर्स को भी टच करना होता है या किसी दूसरी चीज़ को भी टच करना ज़रूरी होता है. What are those? क्या क्या गेम्स होते हैं? एक हम टिप्पी टिप्पी टॉप खेलते हैं, कलर्स वाला गेम बच्चे खेलते हैं, टचिंग द कलर्स, दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड लाइक इन क्रिकेट में भी बॉल का बैट को टच करना ज़रूरी होता है, इज़न्ट इट? और भी देर आर मेनी सच गेम्स. यू थिंक ऑफ सम सच गेम्स दैट यू प्ले. आप जो गेम खेलते हो उनमें से आप सोच कर आप लिखेंगे ये आंसर. Do you play kabaddi? Is there a girls kabaddi team in your school? Do you play kabaddi, children? अभी तो आप बहुत छोटे हो, आप में से ज़्यादातर लोग नहीं खेलते हैं, पर नहीं खेलते हैं लेकिन अब आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन हो गई है. नाउ यू शुड ट्राई टू प्ले. इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड गेम एंड वी हैव अ गर्ल्स कबड्डी टीम इन आवर स्कूल. हमारे स्कूल की भी गर्ल्स कबड्डी टीम है. when in during the sports regional sports meet you must have seen kabaddi matches in our own school being played. But do you think that your grandmother played kabaddi? आपको लगता है आपकी दादी ने, आपकी नानी ने, आपकी मम्मी ने कबड्डी खेला होगा? You should ask them. उनसे पूछना कि उन्होंने खेला कि नहीं खेला. If they played, how they played, and if they did not play, नहीं खेला तो क्यों नहीं खेला? ये ज़रूर आप पूछकर हम डिस्कस करेंगे इस चीज़ को. ठीक है, सब लोग आंसर्स फाइंड करेंगे कि उनकी मम्मी ने खेला तो कैसे खेला, नहीं खेला तो क्यों नहीं खेला. सेम वे दादी नानी जो भी बड़ी लेडीज मेंबर्स होंगे आपके घर के, उनसे पूछना. ओके. You know children, India's kabaddi team is very strong. Don't think that girls don't play kabaddi. Girls of India are doing everything nowadays. Like in the picture you can see the Indian women's kabaddi team. This is Indian women's kabaddi team and this is after it had won the gold medal in kabaddi event in South Asian Games. ये gold medal उन्होंने win किया था in South Asian Games in 2019. This is the picture of those players in the team. So our own girls kabaddi team is very good. It is famous in the world. India is one of the best players of kabaddi in the world. Indian women's kabaddi team has also won the first women's kabaddi world cup in 2019. Recently, last year itself, India had won the Kabaddi World Cup by defeating Iran. So India is doing very well in Kabaddi. Okay. Now besides kabaddi, there are other games also which Indian girls are playing. Like in this picture you can see Karnam Malleshwari. She is a famous weightlifter of India. She lives in Andhra Pradesh. Her father is a police constable. She is a very good weightlifting champion of India and she started doing this when she was only 12 years old. जब वो 12 साल की थी तब से वो weightlifting का काम कर रही है. Now she can lift a weight of 130 kilograms. This is when this book was published. Up to it must have improved even further. Karnam has won 29 medals in international events. She has won 29 gold medals in international events. Her 4 sisters also practice weightlifting. बाकी sisters भी weightlifting practice करती हैं. So Indian women, Indian girls are doing giving a very good performances in most of the games. So I don't think anybody will now be thinking कि girls नहीं खेल सकते हैं, girls weak होते हैं. Okay, girls are very strong. Based on this, you have this subject enrichment activity. Try to find names of any 10 women players of India. इंडिया की कोई भी 10 वुमेन प्लेयर्स के नेम्स एंड द गेम दे प्ले. ओके, यू विल राइट नेम्स ऑफ 10 वुमेन प्लेयर्स एंड व्हाट गेम दे प्ले. ट्राई टू राइट फॉर डिफरेंट गेम्स. ऐसा नहीं है एक ही टीम के पूरे 10 नेम्स लिखेंगे, नो. ओके, 10 वुमेन प्लेयर्स और उनके अलग अलग गेम. ओके, तो दिस इज़ एन एक्टिविटी. इफ़ यू कैन कलेक्ट पिक्चर्स, you collect pictures also. If you cannot don't get the picture chart, लाके उसको कट करके मत पेस्ट करना. ट्राई टू कलेक्ट पिक्चर्स फ्रॉम एल्सवेयर. आजकल तो गूगल से भी पिक्चर्स आपको मिल जाती हैं. यू विल बी एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई देम. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर टुडे. विल कंटिन्यू टुमारो. थैंक यू.